Como ça va, YouTube? Danny here at Cajun Hydroponics, and we're really going to be starting some hydroponics before long. Yes, indeed. This is a different type of video than what we normally do. I was contacted by someone to try out a grow light. Read about it and everything, and I went ahead and received a grow light and purchased a couple more to be able to put in a grow tent. I have other grow lights that I will be reviewing also that was sent to me. I won a couple of them in different giveaways. Was hoping to have those up and running by now. Time just didn't work out. The little dude's more important sometimes than growing. But I do want to show y'all, and they gave me a coupon code if you'd like to purchase some also. It's 25% off. It's good till midnight of the 14th of this month. But we'll go ahead and look at it. It's a Luminpool grow light. I think it's a pretty new company. On Amazon, it looks like they started selling around August. The picture of the brochure that it comes with shows stuff that I don't grow, just to see. But it comes out packaged really well. The packaging. It basically comes with everything you need to start growing. The shackle and the hanging attachments, and I mean the light's great. We plugged it in. It's bright. Has a fan. There's different settings for the lights. As the light changes, as you change the light settings, the fan works along with it. It also comes with glasses to help your eyes to adjust instead of turning the light off and disrupting the grow period for your plants in the grow tent or however you're using this. We are planning on putting up a grow tent. We're building the grow tent. It's going to go in that corner over there where that bench is. It's going to end up being about 3 foot by 10 foot. Like I said, we're building it. But we plugged it in, and it's very bright. Have not grown with it, so I can't tell you how it grows, but by looking at the light spectrum and everything in the on Amazon, I'll post some pictures here. But by looking at everything, it does seems like it'll grow well. It runs off the same amount of voltage as a 120 watt light bulb. We're excited to give it a shot. All the lights we have, we're excited to give a shot. It's not but it's looking more and more like growing in the greenhouses throughout the winter over here might not be the best idea, only because of the lack of light outside. So having a small amount of tomatoes and vegetables in the house and overwintering the pepper plants is going to be the way to go for us, to have personal vegetables. But yeah, just wanted to share this. I will put the code in the bottom, and again, I haven't tested them on the grow. They do seem like they're going to do well. The light spectrum and everything for growing covers, according to the paperwork, a 4 foot by 4 foot area, one light. I think that depends on what you're growing. I think that a 4 foot by 4 foot area would be very generous for lettuce and stuff, but for fruiting plants, tomatoes and cucumbers, and this is just me not testing, but I think you'll be better off something around a 2 foot by 2 foot area for the light spectrum to be able to be useful for the plant to fruit. But yep, that's the end of it. We have a few more things coming up. We got a hot pepper challenge from Mr. CB that was sent to us, so we'll be doing that probably today, but we'll be posting that on another day after I feel better. Yeah, so y'all have a good one. South Louisiana, boy. You gotta love it. Y'all grow that. Later.